Hi there. Last time you saw me prepare bulkheads, and now that I have the stern bulkhead in place and it's glassed on the inside, the only thing that is left to do before I put these top panels in place is to paint the very far inside of these panels and the bottom. And the reason why I want to paint those before I put them together is that it will be very hard to reach far into this area when they have been assembled. Thus, painting in advance will help. Although I can't paint the actual seam between the lower part and the upper part of the hull, because there I will need to have some open surface for binding with glass fiber. So I will leave that. Let's start outdoors with some 80 grit paper. I knock down the shiny glass surface. For paint to bond well, the surface needs to be dull. The small cracks in the surface increase the bonding surface, and thus the paint will stick to the surface much better. It's a bit time consuming, so if you watch carefully you can spot the trees turning red, while I proceed to the next panel. To speed things up, I use a belt sander on some surfaces. Having prepared the surfaces, I move back to the garage and start preparing the paint. I will use a 2-component polyurethane paint for the inside. I have some left from earlier and don't want to waste it. Otherwise, a 2-component epoxy paint would have been a better choice, as this paint system is only mildly water resistant. Anyhow, this system is mixed 1:2. That is 1 part of hardener and 2 parts of base. I have several small sluts of leftovers in different cans. After mixing, I will let it sit for 30 minutes, as some pre-curing is beneficial for the finish. To reduce the risk for solvent breakthrough, I change gloves. With new gloves on, I start painting. The paint is very nice to work with, and it gives excellent finish from the start, although the inside doesn't need to be perfect. I continue with the aft panel before I finish with the lower hull. Next time I'll continue with assembling the panels to the hull. This should be done in a special order to avoid problems. I hope to see you back here then.